Entelodon was one of the most remarkable and intimidating mammals to ever walk the earth. Living around 30 million years ago, this creature belonged to a group of ancient animals known as entelodonts, but people often call them Terminator pigs or hell pigs. Despite these nicknames, Entelodon was not a true pig. It was part of a separate family of mammals that had some similarities in appearance, but were far more powerful, dangerous, and unique than any modern pig. Entelodon had a massive head that could measure more than 2 feet long. Its skull was wide, strong, and filled with large, sharp teeth designed for crushing bones, tearing flesh, and chewing tough plants. Its jaw muscles were incredibly powerful, giving it one of the strongest bites among prehistoric mammals. Just by looking at its skull, scientists can tell that Entelodon was built for both hunting and scavenging. Even though its head looked heavy, Entelodon balanced it with a strong and muscular neck. It also had long, sturdy legs that made it surprisingly fast. In fact, Entelodon could probably run as quickly as many modern large animals, making it not only strong, but also a highly mobile predator. It was tall, bulky, and intimidating, standing nearly as high as a human at its shoulders. One of the most interesting things about Entelodon was its lifestyle. It was an omnivore, meaning it ate almost anything it could find. It fed on plants, roots, fruits, and leaves, but it also ate meat whenever it had the chance. Entelodon didn't hesitate to hunt smaller animals, steal carcasses from other predators, or even break open bones to eat the nutritious marrow inside. This combination of speed, strength, and adaptability made it one of the top animals in its environment. Entelodon lived across a wide region, including parts of Europe and Asia. During its time, the world looked very different. The climate was warm, and large open plains were spreading across the continents. These open landscapes were perfect for Entelodon, allowing it to travel long distances in search of food. Many scientists compare its lifestyle to that of modern hyenas, which are intelligent, tough, and opportunistic feeders. The appearance of Entelodon was also quite unusual. Its body was bulky and muscular, with long legs that almost looked out of proportion to its large head. It had a barrel-shaped torso, short tail, and thick skin that probably protected it during fights. Large bony bumps on the sides of its jaw gave it a distinctive look. These bumps, called zygomatic arches, may have supported strong jaw muscles or could have been used for display during social interactions. Although Entelodon was powerful, it was not the only fierce animal of its time. It lived alongside early horses, large rhinoceros-like mammals, and fearsome predators. But Entelodon was unique because it didn't rely on one type of food. This flexibility gave it a major advantage in its ecosystem. Whether hunting, chasing away smaller predators, or scavenging from carcasses, Entelodon always found a way to survive. Despite its success, Entelodon eventually went extinct. As millions of years passed, the environment continued to change. Forests and grasslands shifted, climates cooled, and new predators evolved. These changes slowly reduced Entelodon's ability to survive. Over time, their populations declined until the species completely disappeared. Even though Entelodon is long gone, it left behind a fascinating legacy. Its fossils tell a story of a world full of strange and powerful creatures. Its massive skull helps scientists understand how mammals adapted after the age of dinosaurs. Entelodon shows us that not all ancient animals were dinosaurs. Many were mammals that were just as fierce, impressive, and dominant. Today, Entelodon is remembered as one of the most fearsome mammals of the ancient world. With its powerful jaws, fast legs, sharp teeth, and fearless nature, it earned its nickname as the Terminator Pig. It reminds us how diverse prehistoric life truly was, and how many extraordinary species existed before humans ever appeared. Entelodon may be extinct, but its story continues to capture the imagination of people around the world. It stands as a symbol of strength, adaptability, and the incredible variety of life that once filled our planet.